Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can create a wildcard condition. That means in last case we have seen we were fetching data based on some unique data like unique ID or unique contact number. But in some situation it may be if your requirement got changed and you want the all information which is similar to Krish, right? If we will check your data, Krishna is also containing Krish, and this data is also containing Krish, and this one is also containing Krish. So we want a data which is similar to Krish or containing Krish value. So in that case, you have to just change your condition. Till now we are working with equal to value. Right now we are going to with like keyword. So your column name is name like, and just because we are working with containing values, so we have to pass percent and the value you are looking for. So I'm looking for Krish. Okay, now let's just clear our terminal. Let's just execute our file. Now you can see whatever data is containing Krish value in name column. Now we got the result. So yeah, this one is for containing Krish values data. So this is wildcard condition. You can check and you can also use in your daily basis logics. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe the channel.